At Creighton University, you're a part of a community invested in you, a community that encourages you to be curious, compassionate, and a leader in your career. Our thousands of students come from all over the US and from all corners of the world. They come to Creighton ready to discover their potential and make a meaningful impact in their communities. And they do that through the amazing academic and student life at Creighton. Our 3 undergraduate colleges and 6 graduate and professional schools deliver a bold education with high success rates, close mentoring with faculty, the Global Scholars Program, research starting freshman year, which is unlike any other university, and so many more opportunities. We are a liberal arts, Jesuit institution, which means your education is about being your best self for a better world. You'll take courses in your major while learning how to have an open mind, rise above expectations, and serve others. It's a top-ranking education, recognized by others for being dedicated to our students and teaching with innovation. We're here to help you succeed in whatever path you choose. With nationally renowned health sciences, innovative business majors, dynamic arts and sciences programs, and an esteemed law school, we offer you tons of possibilities to explore your passions, and you wouldn't do it alone. Creighton is nation-leading with its low student-to-faculty ratio and small class sizes, so students and their professors really get to know each other. You'll get one-of-a-kind advising through the Creighton Edge, where they'll help you find useful internships and prepare you for next steps in college and beyond. On campus, you'll find so many ways to get involved. Explore your faith, celebrate your culture, study abroad, join a fraternity or sorority, play intramurals, and cheer on the Blue Jays. Count on our students to show up for our athletes by packing the stands with big school pride. Our hometown of Omaha is so important to the Creighton experience too. Nearly 1 million people live in the metro area, and it's booming with global corporations and entertainment venues, cool restaurants, Olympic sporting events, museums, and a world-class zoo. Creighton is here for you academically and socially. Pursue what you love, be it service, sports, faith, music, or research. You can do it all here. The best way to find out if Creighton is right for you is to see it for yourself.